dude. Medium gloves don't fit large hands. Oh.
And action.
And action.
How much do you need?
Man, I always had stories about the city life and the crazy nights. Figure I should probably give it a try. Maybe check it out, see what it's all about. But the traffic was fast and the money was slow. The people I met you never get to know. I kinda miss this place I used to live back home. 'Cause up here it's breakneck, paycheck, rat race.
So, I got the recipe for making hamburgers from a friend. Bought a burger press. I'll put the recipe in the link below. But first I gotta wash this. Just got this from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below as well. Comes with like little burger covers, or not covers, but dividers. A little bag. The press. Now the cool thing about the press, if you want to make stuffed burgers, you just twist it, and then you use this part. So you put the burger meat in here, put the press in, smash it. We're not stuffing burgers today. We're just making burgers, but I'm gonna wash this thing first. Hey, so look at that. That's a half pound. Pretty cool, little half pound patty. So these are supposed to be like half-pound patties. So we got 5 half-pounders, 4 third-pounders, eggs for days. Look at that, eggs for days. What are you doing, lazy? So, we're doing a little camp trip. We've driven probably about 3 hours, and we're in this remote wilderness right now. And we're gonna have a fire. We're gonna cook burgers. Let me show you where we're at. Hey, right there. I just got to pop up the tent. We just got here. Uh-oh, the other campers are here too. Oh, look at that. Turn on his lights. Hey, so how long did it take you guys to get here? Because it took me about 3 hours.
On the map, guys.
It's about a 3-hour drive?
Yeah. Coming off the hill, you know.
I hope you guys brought bear spray.
The air is thick down here.
It's thick down here. Alright, go find a spot, bro. Hey, same pad?
Yeah.
Woo! I just saved your truck. I still need to do like a review on this trailer. This trailer's super nice. You know, with fuel prices the way they are, you know, we had all planned out that we're gonna go camp next week, but just with schedules and stuff like that, it just made it easier. We're just camping in my backyard. You know, we could still roast marshmallows here and have adult beverages and do what else? What else do we do when we go camp?
Play.
And play. And play. Do a little Hebrew National hot dogs. Got the burgers. Alright. I'm going to do Montreal seasoning on one side. About a medium heat. Get these burgers going.
Man, I always had stories about the city life and the crazy nights. Figure I should probably give it a try. Maybe check it out, see what it's all about. But the traffic was fast and the money was slow. The people I met you never get to know. I kinda miss this place I used to live back home. Cause up here it's breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond.
You know, oftentimes we go camping and it really just keeps us grounded. And with all these crazy fuel prices and food prices and everything, we tend to limit ourselves on what we can do because there's other things that take priority. I guess that's called adulting. You don't have to break the bank to go and do camping. And so that's where we went in our backyard and we hung out. We enjoyed a campfire and it was a good time. And the most important part about that was how great those burgers were. I'm gonna put that recipe in here too. Those burgers were good. And hey, if anything, if you have a good burger recipe, I bought that press, and if you have a good burger recipe, will you just leave me your favorite recipe in the description below? Or shoot, you can even email it to me at LXPlore at gmail.com. I'll put that in there as well because I can always use a good recipe, and I'll be sure to put to plug your name if you got that good recipe. Mail call. I actually bought this. I didn't get it for free. I tried to. Win it in a contest, but I didn't get it for free. Do you guys ever look at, or do you ever think about like camp cups? I mean, yeah, you can use the little blue cups and all that stuff, but that's not really like an environmentally, or like a red Solo cup. That's not really good for the environment because they're disposable. I typically, like when I go camping, I don't use paper plates, typically. Usually I have a plastic plate or something where I could just wash it. On Instagram, I try to do one of those Instagram contests, and the influencer that I was actually entered the contest with is Spicy Ginger, and I'll put her link right here. She partnered up with Keep It Real Steel, and I started looking through their website, and I was like, oh, well shoot, if I don't win this contest, I'm gonna go and buy it. I'm gonna go and buy these cups. And so she had two people, or two entries, or two gifts. And one were for two 20-ounce coffee mugs, or however mugs, insulated mugs. And then the other one were for pint glasses. Can I even call them glasses if they're not glass? So for pint glasses. And so, you know what? I didn't want to wait. I thought like, hey, you know what? I want these for myself. And I think they would be good for the family. So these right here, these are the 20 ounce stainless steel vacuum mugs by Keep It, I thought it was Real Steel Deal. It's a set of 2. They come in a couple different colors. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Dude, no way. This is good stuff. I always tell you guys, I like handwritten notes. So this one, and they don't even know I'm doing this as a video. It says, John, thank you for supporting our small business. We hope you love your Real Deal Steel mugs and cups. Cheers, Casey. I can't even read the last name, but Casey. Pretty sweet. You know what? You gotta support that. That's great. So BPA-free, sweat-free, eco-friendly, food-grade stainless steel. Keeps your drinks hot, keeps your drinks cold. It's got a flat top, splash-proof lid. And it's got a polished interior, durable finish on the outside. I went with the black ones. I like a lot of coffee. I think that's perfect. Real deal steel. Wow, nice little fit and finish. Insulated. The way that the lid is. There we go, right there, huh? Doesn't have that little flap that always breaks off. It's perfect. So 2 of these, and then also the pint. Let's see, what does it say? They're not glasses. So this right here is a set of 4 16-ounce pint cups. And they're in multiple colors. And that's perfect. So now you know which one's which, right? Or which one belongs to you. So I got white, I got blue, I got black, and I got silver. And it's a pint. I like that. That's good. Real deal steel. I'm liking it. So, hey, I'll put the link right here in the description to where you can get these mugs. They're not that expensive. They won't break the bank. Plus, they have some other mugs and some cups available on their website. So, support your small business. And I definitely like the handwritten note. That goes a long way with me. I want to say Jacob, but that might Casey and Jacob? I'm sorry if I'm butchering it. Doesn't matter. I love it anyways. Thanks for watching the video. Here in the next couple days, I'm gonna actually have the I'm gonna put those Raptor marker lights on that Garage Alpha grill. What I'll do is I'll give you my full opinion on the grill, and then we'll also do the install and review on those lights. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.